Hey there, I'm Fatima, Senior National Artist at MAC Cosmetics, and I want to introduce you to one of my favorite new innovative products at MAC Cosmetics, and it is Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. This little vial is filled with an amazing formula that gives you this beautiful, blurred, smooth-looking matte lip that feels cushiony and comfy and moisturizing. Imagine that, a moisture matte. And it also doubles as a great cream blush. Let me show you. I'm gonna put some on my lips first. Look at that saturated, beautiful color. This color is called Make It Fashion. It's a beautiful fuchsia. And this applicator has this hourglass shape that hugs your lips, and then the rounded tip makes it really easy to blend and apply. And get a nice clean edge or a softer, more blurred edge if you prefer. I like something somewhere in between. Then if I take a little bit on my cheeks, just a little dab here and there, I can blend it with my finger or a brush. And because this formula is smooth and silky and doesn't feel sticky or waxy, it's really comfortable and lightweight as a cheek color. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Comes in several colors like this one, Make It Fashion, and other gorgeous brights, as well as classic reds and great neutrals and subdued natural colors that work really well for everyday wear. So I hope you'll give it a try. I know when you do, you're gonna go, oh, Fatima, it feels amazing. So let me know.